The arrival of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle has been embraced as an awe-inspiring resurrection of one of America's most iconic muscle cars. This masterpiece has been meticulously reimagined to capture the heart of classic car enthusiasts while delivering a modern twist that leaves no detail overlooked. A perfect blend of heritage and innovation is being showcased, making this model a centerpiece in the automotive world. The exterior of the 2025 Chevelle has been crafted with bold lines, aggressive styling, and a stance that exudes power and confidence. The retro-inspired design elements have been combined with advanced aerodynamics, allowing the vehicle to pay homage to its storied past. While embracing modern engineering, LED lighting and custom paint finishes have been featured, offering a range of vibrant and striking color options to appeal to every personality. Inside, the cabin has been transformed into a driver-focused environment with a fusion of premium materials and advanced technology. Plush leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and an intuitive digital interface are creating an atmosphere of both luxury and performance. The Chevelle's cockpit has been designed to prioritize comfort and connectivity. With a 14-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and an advanced infotainment system being included to meet the needs of modern drivers. The powertrain has been engineered to provide exhilarating performance, with a supercharged V8 engine capable of producing over 700 horsepower. This engine, paired with a precision-tuned suspension and responsive handling dynamics, is making the Chevelle an exceptional performer on both the open road and the racetrack. The 0 to 60 mph sprint is achieved in just over 3 seconds, delivering a thrill that only a true muscle car can provide. Safety and convenience have been prioritized, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking have been included to ensure that performance is complemented by peace of mind. Every journey in the Chevelle has been designed to be both exciting and secure. The price of this legendary revival is starting at approximately $65,000, making it an accessible dream for muscle car enthusiasts. Customization options are being offered to allow buyers to tailor their Chevelle to personal tastes, ensuring a unique ownership experience. As a symbol of power, nostalgia, and cutting-edge design, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle is being celebrated as a must-have for automotive enthusiasts. For more exclusive insights and updates on the world's most exciting vehicles, join the Next Gen Garage community today and never miss a moment of automotive brilliance.